Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to add echo or reverb effects to your audio using Audacity. This is a great way to make your recording sound more professional or creative. First, open your audio file in Audacity. If you don't have one yet, just record something quickly by hitting the red record button. Now, select the part of the audio where you want to add echo or reverb. You can click and drag over the waveform to highlight it. If you want to apply the effect to the entire track, just press Ctrl+A to select all. Next, go to the top menu and click Effect. Scroll down and find Echo or Reverb. Both are available in Audacity. Let's start with Echo. Click it and you'll see two main settings: delay time and decay factor. Delay time is how long the echo waits before you hear it, and decay factor controls how much the echo fades out. For example, set delay time to around 500 milliseconds and decay factor to 0.5, then click Preview to hear a sample. If you like it, click OK to apply it. If you want a more natural, spacious sound, try the reverb effect instead. When you click Reverb, you'll see many settings like room size, reverb time, damping, and more. Don't worry about memorizing them. You can click Preview to test different presets or adjust sliders until the sound fits your style. Once you're happy with the effect, click OK. Finally, don't forget to save your project or export your audio file by going to File, Export, and that's it. Adding echo or reverb in Audacity is easy and can really enhance your audio.